St. John of the Cross, that great Carmelite doctor of the church, a real guide to prayer, have really laid down concrete process of how to discipline ourselves. Because prayer without discipline is not at all possible. What are these discipline? It is really the discipline of our mind, our heart, and also of our outward behavior. I wish I can share this with you, but it is a very long process that maybe we will be able to talk about this next time. Because according to St. John of the Cross, nobody can approach God and at the same time enjoying his or her sinful desire for sin. We cannot do this, and that is why we need to discipline our mind, our senses, our eyes, our ears, our heart, and all of this, because these are the door to our interior heart. These are the guards that unless we discipline them. And the first thing that really we have to do is to fix our eyes on Jesus in the gospel. To read the gospel very often, and if possible daily, in order that we will be able to know what are the actions of Jesus, what are his longings, what are his desires, so that knowing Jesus, we will really fall in love with him. Because only love can make us really undergo sacrifices. Because without discipline, prayer is not at all possible. As we read the gospel, we then begin to see how Jesus acts, how Jesus thinks. And in whatever we are doing, we look very deeply into our hearts and ask him, what would you do, dear Lord, if you are in my place? We have to look at Jesus and Mary also our mother, because she is the model of people really, persons really, who truly love God. And we have also to look at the life of Mary, the life of the saints, and we should really try to imitate them. St. John of the Cross said, first of all, in order to live a life of prayer, in order to live a good life, we need to fill our minds with the mind of Jesus, to fill our heart with the love of Jesus, and in order that we will be able really and truly to become committed Christians, let us act the way Jesus acted. Now, this whole process of how to discipline ourselves is called by St. John of the Cross the active night of the active discipline. Why is it called active? It is I who discipline myself of the bad habits that I have. It is the discipline of our conscious enslavements, our conscious compulsions and fixations and attachment. It is a conscious effort to change our way of thinking, doing, loving, human way into Jesus' way. To change our faith, our hope, and our love into Jesus' supernatural way of thinking, doing, loving, believing, and hoping. This new program of St. John of the Cross will free the person and liberate the person from his or her emotional immaturities by freeing them from their fixation and compulsion. It is a concrete process of getting out of our desires, of our desire to commit sin, of our weaknesses. And so John of the Cross has given, because he said, A contemplative needs to be free. Why? When I say contemplative, I do not mean religious. It is a person who has reached a deeper level of prayer. That is what it means. He can be religious, he can be an ordinary person. We are all called to this kind of living. Meaning to say, you are continually listening to the Spirit every moment. So sensitive to what God is telling us. But because we have many desires inside us, our desire, sinful desires, that really influence us, we are not able to listen to God talking within our hearts, leading us. That is why this is the discipline in order that we will be able to die to our desires, selfish, egoistic desire, so that we will be able to listen to God within our hearts. And what will happen? This will free us from our interior conflicts. This will free us from the compulsion and pressure of society. Like, for example, what will society say? I am not going to do this even if it's good, because I do not know what will other people say. This will free us. And then it will free us from the compulsions and pressures of our environment. There are many things in our environment that leads us to sin, but it will free us because this kind of discipline will set us free from all of this. And it will also set us free from our gifts, because many times our gifts makes us proud. And so this kind of discipline that John of the Cross prescribed will really lead us free from all of this, so that we can really, really devote ourselves to listening to God in our hearts. Because Saint Teresa of Jesus said, when she was asked, what is holiness? She said, holiness is nothing else but listening to the will of God every moment. How can we listen to God every moment? If our desire to be, if we become proud, we can be only listening to our sinful desires inside us. That is why John of the Cross said, we need to be disciplined. Now, St. John of the Cross knows that the process is very difficult. Why? It will help us to go to the process of freeing ourselves with the grace of God, to discover what is it in us that is very selfish, like our fixation and our compulsion, by taking notice of the areas of our weaknesses. For example, I will give you an example. There was somebody who told me that every time she sees this person, she is really angry, even if the person is not really doing anything wrong. And then, when I tried to ask him, what happened to you when you were a little child and all of this, and we found out that he has an uncle who lived with them. And this uncle has always been criticizing him. But he could not really retaliate because he was afraid. So he put all his anger inside him. And this very person whom he is angry, and he is the one who he does not do anything to him, he is already angry. Why? Because he is reminded of that uncle who has made him suffer. So this is the kind that we are able to face and go through the process of painful acceptance that this person whom I am angry have nothing to do. It is I who is now really affected by the past because of my anger for my uncle. I hope that the Lord will enlighten you of what I shared with you. just as He has enlightened me and have helped me very much in my life of prayer. And I will pray for all of you.